Video 9.6, a Partimento realized by Fago. Fago, and later his son, were very important teachers in Naples. They had a number of pupils who became great composers, great masters themselves. Very few of Fago's Partimenti survive, but there is one manuscript. And in that manuscript, somewhat unexpectedly, one of the Partimenti is given a partial realization. Here's the beginning of this Partimento. Begins with something like a Romanesque descending bass, then there's a series of ascending scales, a pattern that could be a printer perhaps, and then other cadences and changes of key. Now, should the right hand play half-note chords or rapid sixteenths? Certainly a beginner would probably need to play slower chords, but would a master actually make the right-hand part as complicated as the most complicated parts of the left hand? That's an open question, and not easy to answer without the curious case of Fago or one of his students writing out his realization. So here it is. You'll see at the outset that it's a series of 16th notes. So something of an older style than, let's say, Mozart or Haydn. The blue notes in the bass at the beginning show what could be a printer bass, and in the right hand, the red notes indicate the melody of a printer in G major. Then we have a series of ascending chords. We go to the second line, and we have a descending printer melody, now with the core tones a full measure apart. There's a canonic imitation here, da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Then the alto comes in, later the bass. And then here we have something similar to the opening, but instead of the bass and upper parts descending each bar, they're descending each half bar. So the variety of patterns. Let's listen to Fago's solution. So again, we see that the most authentic realizations that we know from the past are actually quite elegant, small compositions.